Welcome to the fantastic world of tractor manufacturing, where steel collides with technology and strength and precision merge. It is one of the core areas at the tractor factory. Here, various parts are assembled into complete tractors. The assembly line usually adopts the assembly line operation method to improve production efficiency. Workers install the engine, transmission, chassis, cab and other parts on the tractor frame in sequence according to the process flow. Here, advanced technology and exquisite craftsmanship are perfectly integrated to create the most reliable tractors. During the assembly process, multiple quality checks will be carried out to ensure that each component is installed correctly. At the same time, some key components will be debugged, such as engine debugging and brake system debugging. We will test the tractors, and only those that pass the test can enter the finished product parking area, ensuring that every tractor that leaves the factory can stand the test of time in farmland.